In the charming town of Milton, Massachusetts, every home tells a story. From historic colonials to modern renovations, Milton homeowners take pride in creating spaces that reflect their personality and lifestyle. One of the most powerful, yet often overlooked, ways to express that individuality is through a custom entry door. Your home's front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression visitors have, the frame for your home's character, and a key element that ties your property's design together. By choosing a custom entry door, you're not just enhancing curb appeal, you're creating a one-of-a-kind feature that reflects who you are and how you live. A personal statement that starts at the front door. Milton's diverse architecture ranges from classic New England charm to sleek contemporary designs. A custom entry door allows homeowners to align their personal style with their home's aesthetic, whether you love timeless elegance or bold modern appeal. Traditional homes may feature paneled wood doors with decorative glass and brass hardware. Modern residences often opt for clean lines, minimalist finishes, or steel and fiberglass materials for a sophisticated look. Historic properties can preserve their authenticity with handcrafted wood doors inspired by the home's original design. No matter the style, a custom door helps your home stand out while reflecting your unique personality and taste. Material choices that speak volumes. The material you choose for your entry door says a lot about your priorities, whether it's durability, efficiency, or artistry. Today's custom doors offer a variety of high-quality materials, each with its own benefits. Solid wood offers timeless beauty and warmth, perfect for Milton's traditional architecture. Custom stains and finishes highlight natural wood grain for a rich, inviting appearance. Fiberglass, ideal for homeowners who want a balance between beauty and practicality. Fiberglass doors mimic real wood while resisting moisture, warping, and cracking, perfect for Massachusetts' changing seasons. Steel, known for strength and security, steel doors provide a sleek, modern look while offering superior insulation and durability. Custom designs allow you to mix materials, like pairing glass accents with wood panels, for a personalized, one-of-a-kind entry that suits both your home's style and your lifestyle. Design elements that tell your story. Custom entry doors give you endless opportunities to showcase your creativity. You can select glass inserts, decorative panels, side lights, transoms, and unique hardware finishes that make your door a true focal point. For example, add stained or frosted glass panels to let in natural light while maintaining privacy. Choose arched tops or geometric designs for architectural flair. Customize with matte black, bronze, or antique brass hardware to tie in with your home's exterior accents. These design details help transform a standard doorway into a personalized statement that's both functional and artistic. Energy efficiency that matches your values beyond looks. A custom entry door can also support your home's comfort and sustainability goals. Many modern doors come with energy-efficient cores, insulated glass, and tight weather seals that help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. For homeowners in Milton, where winters can be brisk and summers humid, an energy-efficient door reduces drafts and energy costs without compromising style. It's a thoughtful way to align your home's performance with your values. Craftsmanship that lasts for generations. A custom entry door is an investment in quality craftsmanship. Local experts take the time to measure, design, and install your door with precision, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. When installed properly, a custom door not only enhances curb appeal but also improves security, insulation, and durability. And because it's tailored to your home, it often lasts longer and requires less maintenance than a mass-produced option. Making a lasting impression in Milton. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home, and one of the details they remember. A well-designed, custom entry door blends form and function, making every arrival feel welcoming and every departure meaningful. Whether you lean toward classic New England tradition or prefer a modern, minimalist design, a custom door gives you the freedom to express your personality while adding long-term value to your Milton home. Final thoughts in Milton, where historic charm meets modern living. A custom entry door is the perfect way to showcase your individuality. It's more than an upgrade, it's a reflection of your taste, your values, and your pride in homeownership. With expert design and professional installation, your new entry door will make a lasting impression, beautifully blending your personality with the timeless appeal of Milton's neighborhoods.